Hello my friends, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to use correctly a page break in Word. The first thing you need to do is open your Word. A page break is useful when you are, for example, making a full document with a cover page and you want to include as much information as possible in the cover page and you don't want your other information or your subtitles to be affected. So I'm gonna show you a quick example of this. For example, this is gonna be introduction. This is gonna be my title of the first page, and the cover, example cover, test for YouTube channel, easy and simple tutorials and more, and my name. For example, the first three lines are gonna be my cover page and the introduction is gonna be my first title. So for example, in this case, introduction is here. I'm gonna set it as title, and I want to include some spaces here, but in this case, as I haven't set up my page break, the introduction title is being affected by these spaces that I'm putting here. So how we can correct that? By inserting a page break, which is the option we are showing in this video. So in this case, we are gonna click here in layout, we are gonna click here in breaks, and we are going to select the first option, which is page, and the information is marked the point at which one page ends and the next page begins. So we click here and we can see that our introduction title is gonna be here, and I can put as much information, as much spaces in this cover page, and my title is not gonna be affected. That's the correct way to use a page break in Word.